welcome, welcome. I want to first off thank Children's Hospital for allowing me to come into your room and show you some magic tricks. This is going to be a lot of fun. We're going to have a good time together. I'm going to show you some magic tricks, and then I'm going to actually teach you some stuff, okay? So this will be fun. Let me show you this. This kind of took me for a while, so I won't be able to show you this, but this is really cool. This is my little bird. I actually call him Noah. You see? I call him Noah. Isn't he so cute? Look how, he's a real bird. Doesn't he look so real? But he actually needs a friend. There we go. Fly, fly, fly. Fly, fly, fly. They don't like to fly away. They like to stay right here. So we're going to do some really cool tricks. Stick around. Excuse me, I should have did that before I started. Now let's get into some real magic. Here we go. All right, now you might be asking yourself, how do I know what all you have in your room? Well, this is my son Lucas, and there is his beads of courage. So that's how we know. So let's show you some tricks. He's going to help me out. Let's go have some fun. All right, the first trick we're going to do is with a bag of crayons. Like I said, you do not need a whole big bag like this. Just a few would work. And what I'm going to have Lucas do is reach inside here, grab any crayon you like, Lucas, and I'm going to turn around so I don't see it. Grab the bag and place it in my hand, Lucas. Any one you want, just one. Okay, now I'm going to turn around. That way I cannot see it. Now I'm going to try to read your mind. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. I think I got it. Did you pick purple?
Yes.
And there it is, purple. All right, this next one is a prediction. I made a prediction right here. What I want you to do is hang on to that, put that maybe in your pocket. All right. Now I also drew a few different symbols here. We have an X, we have a circle, and we have a triangle. All right, so Lucas, what I want you to do is pick the X, the circle, or the triangle. Just touch one of them. The X, okay? Touch another one. The circle. Now you could have picked any one of these that you want.
Yeah.
Open up your prediction and show everybody. There we go. The circle matches perfectly. All right, the next one's with a cup. You ready for this, Lucas? Watch. Watch the cup. What? Look at that. Whoa. There it is. Woo! It's just floating in midair. Ta-da! All right, so there are 3 simple tricks. I'm going to teach you really, really quick. Everybody give Lucas a big round of applause for helping me. Very good job, very good. So I'm going to let him get out of here so I can show him the secrets. Here we go. All right, are you ready to learn the secrets? Oh, this is going to be so much fun. Now, I got to get it in a secret spot so nobody can actually see me showing you how this works. So come on, right behind me, I have a bookshelf. Let's go, watch this, this is cool. Inside here, ooh, look at that. This is my magic room. And I have all of my books over there that I've had ever since I was 10 years old. And all my tricks, I still have every single one. I've kept every little single trick. I have a lot of stuff. Go ahead and get your materials. You need your crayons, your cups, just one cup would be good. And you also need that paper. All right, let's go. All right, the first thing we're going to learn is the crayon trick. So if you don't mind, let me get a little bit more comfortable. Okay, much better. All right, first thing you're going to do, like I said, you need some crayons. Now, you want to use about 5 different colors. So we're going to use a light purple, a green, orange, a dark purple, okay, and a blue, all right? As long as the colors you'll see are very, very different, okay? Now, here's actually the secret. You're not going to believe this. It's so simple. What I did is when Lucas put the crayon behind my back, what I did is I took my thumb right there and I pinched off a piece of that purple right there, just like that. You see it? Wow. All right. So easy. So simple. So he put it behind my back. I pinched it off. Okay. And then what I do, I don't want to look at my thumb right away. I'm going to hold it up to my head like this, like I'm thinking. Now it's right here in my eye. All right. You see it? It's right there in my eye. So I hold it up like this and I can tell it's purple. As soon as I come up like this, I see that it's purple. I don't look right at it. Okay. I can just tell that it's purple. All right. So there you go. Very simple, easy to do. Now you can only do this trick probably once. If not, you're going to have a bunch of different colors right there, and you won't be able to tell which one they were thinking of that time. Okay? So only do it once. All right. Now for the prediction. What you're going to do, it doesn't matter. Any three symbols would be good. I used, I think, an X, a triangle, and a circle. So I'm going to make my prediction. This time we'll make it an X. So you're going to draw an X on the big piece of paper. This is going to be my prediction. And I'm going to fold it up like this. And you can have them hold it, or you can actually place it in your pocket. I really like them to hold it. It just seems a lot better. Then what you're going to do is take some paper here. I'm going to make 3 different pieces here. I'll just rip it like this. So here's 1, 2. They don't have to be this big. You can actually even use Post-it notes. Would even be better if you have them there. Okay? And then another one here. Okay? So we're going to put the X in the middle. And then I think I said a circle and also a triangle, which is upside down for you guys. So I will turn it this way so you can see the triangle. Okay? Now, I'm really wanting them to pick this X. Okay? So what's going to happen is I tell them to touch 2 of the objects. Alright? So say they touch these 2. What I'll have them do is pick them up and hand me one of them. If they hand me the X, perfect. You're already set, ready to go. You pull out the prediction in their pocket and there's the X. Now if they hand you the circle, okay, so say they pick both of them up and they hand you the circle, you hand that to them and you crumble this up and throw it away. Alright? So it doesn't matter. You're always going to make them pick the X. Okay? Now, let's say they picked the circle and the triangle. So they hand both of them to you. I already threw the circle away. So I crumble up this one and I crumble up the circle and I throw them away. And you say, that leaves you with the X. So you pull it out of their pocket or whatever. They open it up. And X marks the spot. There you go. Now, of course, you can only do that one time. You can do it later, but don't do it right away, okay? So just remember, you are going to force that one that is in the middle, okay? You're going to try to make them pick that one, all right? Very simple, easy to do. Just practice this and you will get it. Now, the last one is probably my favorite. Very easy, simple to do. It's all in the acting, okay? Watch. I had it on the table earlier, but you can actually do it right in your hands like this. You see? Don't that look so good? All right, you ready for the secret? Oh, this is so good. After you drink what you're supposed to drink that day, save your cups, okay? All right, here's the secret. Look at that. So simple, but it's all in the acting, okay? So what you're going to do, you make sure your audience is facing this way, okay? They're facing this way. I'm just showing you behind the scenes here. So what actually happens is, look, both of my hands mirror each other, okay? You don't want to go like this and then have this hand over here, okay? You want them both to mirror each other, okay? Look, you see? Like that. And then you can make it go up and down a little bit, but don't do it too much, okay? Look. You see? Don't that look good? And then you go. I like to do that. Now only do that maybe twice. You go. And you grab it back. It's like floating away from you and you grab it, okay? All right. Now, let me show you behind. All right. Now, here it is from behind. Say your audience is this way, okay? So what you do, you go like this. Remember, your fingers are mirroring each other, okay? There's your thumb in the hole there, okay? You go like this. You see? And then you reach for it like you're grabbing it, like it's taking off. You don't want it to go anywhere. And then you can just make it float. So there you go. You make it float. Now, you don't want to take your thumb out and set the cup down because people are going to grab it. Believe you me. All right? So you want to destroy the evidence. Watch. So you do this, okay? And then you just bring it back and you say, oh, I guess this will not hold any more water. And you crunch it up, and there you go. All right? Perfect. That way nobody knows what you just did. Well, all right. There you go. 3 easy, simple tricks you can do right now. I really hope you practice these and try these out. Show your friends, your family, your nurses even, and your doctors. Show them, and they will be amazed. Like, whew, where'd you learn this? Just make sure you don't tell them. But thank you guys so much. If you like any of my magic, you can also subscribe to me right here at Jason the Great 777. And once again, I would like to thank Children's Hospital for letting me come into your room and sharing my magic with you guys. And if you have any questions at all, go to my YouTube channel, leave a comment, and I will promise I will get back to you as soon as possible. So thanks a lot. I appreciate it. And you guys take care. And if you like this, please let me know, and I will shoot out some more videos just for you guys. Hopefully we can do this again really, really soon. All right, take care. See ya.